And the first time you would do this, it's going to be the most intense, it's like an orgasmic sneeze. It's the most intense feeling you've ever had in your entire life around a sneeze. As you do it more, you become more accustomed to it.
You use it very casually, you become more accustomed to it, and it's perfectly good English. But I would say that because he's presenting this piece to camera and he's using quite scientific language, this is slightly more formal than the more typical expression, you get used to it. You do this enough, you get used to it. You do this enough, you get accustomed to it.
It's also a nice time to do a little meditation.